Okay, now this is a size 13 socket. This is also a size 13 nut. So what I basically do is I get this socket and I machine it down to the exact diameter of this bearing which I normally use. So the final result there is that the socket is able to slide into this bearing. Okay, early much says it. The bearing is able to slide into the socket. So follows the other one. So with that in mind, this bearing is positioned in such a way that it sits at the middle of this nut here. So when it sits here, and with this attached to the bottom of the rotating pot of the peanuts, what you basically need to do is just socket in. Socket it this way, and it goes in. Now it forms a locking mechanism that allows it to be quickly disassembled or assembled. And when this is coupled like this, and if you turn this on, it's going to rotate with this. Because turning this anti-clockwise losing the screws, this motor is wired in such a way that the rotation is anti-clockwise, so that it sort of like locks as it tries to rotate with this. Now when this is bolted to the peanut coating machine rotating pot, it gets induced to extra stress and load, and then this one tries to take that extra stress and load and rotate anti-clockwise, thereby locking itself more, so it can never come loose. That is the whole aim of this feature in my machine.